Hi everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my chicken stew with tomato sauce. And Filipino, we call this afritada. So come on, cook with Tita and let's go through our ingredients. 1 family pack of chicken thigh, already been cleaned. Fresh pineapple. If you're going to use a canned pineapple, buy the one with its own juice and its chunk, okay? So we're gonna chop up 1 cup out of that. 28 ounce, 1 can of tomato sauce. 1 cup of sweet peas. 2 to 3 tablespoons or to taste fish sauce. Oil, any oil will do. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar to cut the acidity of our tomato sauce. 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. 1 teaspoon or to taste black ground pepper. And some bay leaf. Okay? And then, if you know me, I always use 1 bulb of garlic. 1 medium brown onion. Some potatoes. Some carrots. If you don't want to put this much vegetable, it's up to you, okay? Anywho, I have celery. Like I said, if you only want to put 1 or 2, whatever. But more for me, it's the better. And 1 red bell pepper. Okay, I already cleaned it up. So, I'll see you when I get done chopping up my vegetable. Alright, we're done chopping our ingredients. And this is how I chop my ingredients like that. Okay, and I chop my pineapple this way. In my situation, this is fresh. But you can buy the chunk with its own juice, okay? Anywho, our pot over here, it's already warm. So, we're gonna need about 3 tablespoons of oil. Any oil will do. Just to coat the bottom of our pot, okay? Now, we're going to put it medium because we're already here. First thing we have to do, we are going to brown our chicken. My reason for this, I want to extract or to draw out the fat of the chicken because we cannot skim off the fat once we put the tomato sauce in there. I'm going to fry the chicken, not to cook it, but just to brown the skin and get the fat off the skin, okay? So let's brown the chicken and then after I brown the chicken, I'll show you what to do, okay? Okay guys, this is how it looks, okay? Do not overcook your chicken, just slightly brown it, okay? Each side. See, remember how much oil we put in there to start with. See how much oil or fat we took out from the chicken? That's what I meant, guys. When I say we're gonna draw out the fat. Okay? Because trans fat, not good for our body. Too much of it, it's not good. That's when we developed high cholesterol. And then when you have high cholesterol, you have high blood pressure. Okay? So anyhow, we're not gonna take everything out. We're gonna leave about 3 teaspoons. Okay? So with that, turn on medium high. And we're gonna drop our garlic in there. Squeeze it around for about a couple seconds like that, like so. And then we're going to put our onion. When it started to draw out their fragrance, go ahead and put your celery. Alright, squeeze it around like so. Now, the purpose of this, guys, is we're going to put the aroma or the taste or the yumminess into our chicken. Okay? So, with that being switched around, we're going to put our bay leaf and our 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, we're going to put back the chicken in there. And then we're going to pour our tomato sauce. Okay, we don't need that. Now, pour your tomato sauce on the top. Okay, put a little bit of warm water in there, just about 1/4 cup. Take out the goodness in that can in there. Just 1/4 cup. There you go. Okay, so that our tomato sauce won't stick on the bottom. That's all there's to it. No big deal, right? Now, let's kind of disturb it so it would submerge or take a bath with yummy goodness. Okay, our heat, it's on medium. When it start bubbling evenly, we're gonna cover that, okay? Okay, so it start bubbling evenly now. Let me see. Okay, kinda give it a stir. Stir it like so. And then now, guys, we're going to put our bouillon. We're gonna flavor that. Now, if you notice, we didn't use, or we're not going to use any salt, because chicken bouillon, it's already salty. Okay, we're gonna cover that for 5 minutes. Turn the heat down to medium low. 5 minutes done, and we'll check. Wow, okay. So, oh man, the aroma, it's beautiful. It's, in other words, when I say beautiful, it's yummy. Okay, now, in 5 minutes, you're gonna have to disturb it, because remember, we only put a little bit of water in there. This is perfect. You see? You see what I mean? Okay, so now we're going to cover this again. Okay, don't forget to come and disturb your chicken every 5 minutes, because you don't want your bottom of your pot to burn. Okay, so now we're going to cook this until the chicken is cooked, and then we're going to put in our hard vegetable. And when our hard vegetable half cooked, we're going to put everything in there. Okay, the sweet peas, this, which is the pineapple, our bell pepper, and our sugar. By the way, you can use white sugar if you don't have brown sugar. When this is cooked or half cooked, I'm going to show you how it looks, okay? Before I put this soft vegetable. All right? Until then, all right, guys, it took me 30 minutes to cook my chicken. Now, when I say cook my chicken, I don't mean for it to be falling out the bone, okay? Like so. It's firm, but it's cooked. You understand what I'm saying? See? The first 15 minutes of cooking our chicken, we came and stir every 5 minutes, right? And then cover it up 3 times, okay? And the rest 15 minutes, I cook this uncover, okay? So the total of 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the chicken cooked, and then I put my hard vegetable, okay? So I covered it for 10 minutes, or after your vegetable, hard vegetable, that is, tender. When I say tender, pork tender, not overcooked, okay? Because we still have something to put in there, okay? So now, we're going to put the sugar, the bell pepper, the sweet peas or peas, and our pineapple with its juice. Okay, yummy yum. All right, so anywho, we're going to cook this until everything is hunky-dory. Submerge the new vegetable we put in there. Now let me give you a little advice. Now, as you can tell, our chicken, it's really cooked now, right? So don't mix it vigorously. You understand what I'm saying? Be gentle with it, because you don't want your meat to be falling apart. When you push this down, kind of, you know, like so. You see what I'm saying? Let it cook 10 more minutes. Cover. Don't cover it completely, just like so. Okay, you don't want that to be over, you know, splashing, or, you know, so that's just like that. Okay, with your medium heat, 10 minutes. Okay, but every 5 minutes come over here. Okay, like we did, we came and disturb it. Don't forget, you don't want to burn the bottom of your thing. And then I'll show you the finale, that is. Okay, guys, after we cooked our vegetable, it took me 10 minutes, maybe because I have a whole bunch of it here. So my vegetable is nice and tender, see, not overcooked. Okay, so, and then now I already stir very gently. My heat or my flame, it's low. Okay, you don't want that to be, you know, burning while we're blabbing over here. Okay, but anyway, okay, let me taste the flavor. We might need some, you know, salt or whatever. So careful, it's really magma, really hot, really hot. Oh, yum. For me, it's just enough. Now, up to you if you want either salt or fish sauce. Okay, but my palate's telling me, my taste bud, that is, telling me, for me, it's good. So, anywho, hunky-dory. So now we're gonna turn this off. And then, we're going to see how did it come out. Let me see. Oh, yum. I can tell that our chicken is nice and tender. Let me have some of this vegetable. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. Look at the pieces, okay? It's not pulling apart. And our liquid, it's nice and not watery, but also not thick. Wonderful. Just wonderful, okay? Now, the moment of truth. Let me count the way. Anywho, we'll see. Check this out, guys. See how tender that is, but not pulling apart. Everything is hunky-dory, okay? So, vegetable is intact, not overcooked or not pulling apart. Everything is just hunky-dory, okay? So anywho, let's try. How's the yum yum over here? Careful, it's really hot. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is so delicious. Wow, guys. Let me see that potato. See how the potato, you poke it, and ta-da, not overcooked, but tender, yummy. So anywho, guys, that's all there's to it. Easy breezy chicken stew with tomato sauce. In Philippines, we call this afritada. You can eat this with anything or just by itself, because like I said, there's a lot of vegetable, or you can eat with anything that you want. Wow, so delicious, guys. That's all there's to it. Enjoy my recipe, guys, and I will see you again when you cook with me right here in my kitchen. As I always say, bon appetit. Bye.